Bullish Sun token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Sun could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Sun token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Sun token presentation. You can find out about the Sun cost forecast and its normal ascent from specialized examination to essential cost history with the assistance of this instructional exercise. At the determination of this assessment, a reasonable image of what's in store as far as how exorbitant costs will go will become obvious. You will likewise find out about Sun's future. A digital currency is before long going to acquire prevalence as a significant resource, and we'll be checking out at the Sun token value expectation. The digital money industry is going to enter the standard, and each venture is creating unique techniques to flourish and administer the market. Is Sun a wise speculation? Is one of the generally asked issues that we will endeavor to address. What Sun will be esteemed in 5 to a decade. Anticipating future evaluating and assessing value varieties are undeniably challenging undertakings. We'll be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, greatest cost, Sun cost figure, most extreme worth, long haul cost forecast, most extreme inventory, and the market cap in view of our own exploration. What is Sun token? The cryptographic money of the sun.io decentralized finance network that has been redenominated is called Sun token. Sun.io went with the choice in May 2021 to extend the quantity of Sun tokens accessible from 19.9 million to 19.9 billion, moving Sun at a 1/10 proportion to holders of the first Sun. The market capitalization didn't change. A stablecoin-centered decentralized trade named SunSwap, along with related liquidity pools and cultivating choices for proprietors of Sun token, make up sun.io's DEFI stage. DEFI Llama guarantees that starting around the 8th of June 2022, sun.io has $820.20 in all-out esteem frozen. Old 2 pool LP, an exchanging pair between Sun token and Tron's USDD stablecoin, is the greatest liquidity pool on the organization, holding more than $437 million. The biggest decentralized application on the Tron network as far as exchange volume is SunSwap. SunSwap is the second biggest Tron-based DApp behind JustLend concerning the equilibrium of possessed resources. SunSwap has the most dynamic clients of any Tron-based DApp, with 75,710 novel month-to-month wallet addresses, enormously above Travel Trade's 12,510 dynamic clients and JustLend's 6,400 dynamic clients. Clients get Sun administration tokens in return for securing Sun coins. These give holders the choice to conclude how every liquidity pool is weighted. Every liquidity pool's portion of remunerations, which are gotten from half of all exchange costs on the Sun.io DEFI stage, is weighted. Longer lockup periods bring about additional prizes in casting a ballot power. They range from a half year to 4 years. Tron, USDD, Sun token, TRX, and TAI USD, Sun token are 3 other huge liquidity pools. Sun specialized examination. The consolidated Sun trade rating for the chose time span Sun might be seen progressively utilizing TradingView's finished specialized investigation device, notwithstanding the way that it is hard to give 100% precise specialized examination to the Sun coin. The SUN-USD report's specialized investigation is based on the groundwork of moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Sun current cost. Sun token is presently worth $0. Sun has moved 0.83% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,885,497. Sun token is presently positioned 350 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $51,080,797 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Sun token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Sun token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Sun token value expectation 2023. Sun token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Sun cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Sun is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Sun token value expectation 2024. In 2024, Sun token Sun cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sun will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Sun's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Sun will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Sun Token Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and Sun might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sun is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Sun Token Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Sun Token effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the Sun coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sun will be green in 2026. The Sun is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Sun Token Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Sun cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027. With a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Sun has a most extreme value worth of 3 cents. Sun Token Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that Sun figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Sun needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Sun Token Value Forecast 2029. While Sun is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2029. Sun Token Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Sun Token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Sun Token Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Sun cost in 2031 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 5 cents. Do your own schoolwork prior to making any speculations. You ought to do an intensive survey of the venture and search out fair-minded monetary direction prior to coming to your own decisions. Never put away more cash than you can bear to lose, assuming that you in all actuality do make a speculation. And, since its introduction, Sun has totally changed various enterprises. The coin has gotten endorsement from a few